I cannot say whether things will get better if we change. What I can say is they must change if they are to get better. George C. Lichtenberg. Hello everyone. Today I am here to present before you fully Indian policy which is based on Indian values while being equipped with innovative and quality products. Yes, I am talking about NEP 2020, a step towards fulfilling the dream of self-reliant India. Let me put forward the details with you for better understanding. The National Education Policy 2020, which is NEP 2020, was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020. It gives an outline of the vision of India's new education system. This policy came after the initial two reforms taken in the Indian education system long back earlier in 1968 and then in 1986. Hence, it is evident that there was a dire need of reforms in the Indian education system to match with the rapidly evolving world and become a knowledge hub. So, keeping this ambition in mind, the National Education Policy has been designed to visualize new learnings in education and skill development as a persistently evolving process. We can understand it as a progressive approach towards much needed reform in education and extension of the system introduced after independence. So what all does it have in bag? Is it taking us back to the traditional format or is an initiative to make us modern in approach? Well, dear friends, it is a junction of traditional and modern formats of education. The NEP draws a delicate, agile harmony between India's traditional models of learning and cutting-edge current designs. On one hand, it takes into consideration the big data advancements, and on the other, honors India's legacy and means to sustain and upgrade it further. Taking motivation from the chronicled centers of learning, for example, Takshila and Nalanda, the policy stresses the significance of liberal instruction, suggesting a consistent mix of expressions, humanities, physical wellness, what's more, dialects, just as science and arithmetic. Holistic development and contextualization are at the heart of the customary Indian instruction, and the NEP endeavors to carry these qualities to the front. Recommending the early child care education ECCE and introduction of a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 format. The focus is on experimental learning and emphasizing foundational numeracy and literacy at the end of the initial 5 years. It suggests drastic change in the assessments in schools, focusing on the higher order skills such as conceptual clarity, analysis, and critical thinking. To reduce the unhealthy and obsessive focus on board exams, grades 10 and 12 will also have a summative assessments and bi-yearly exams in an academic year. It further recommends introduction of modern subjects and compulsory vocational education from the 6th standard onwards by providing flexibility to students in choosing subjects. The NEP breaks down the silos that exist between arts and sciences, curricular and extracurricular subjects, or vocational and academic streams. Dear friends, not only this, there are consolidation and innovation in higher education as well, making it more learner-driven and learner-centric, creating vibrant learning ecosystems and globally competitive institutes. Government has proposed slew of measures encourage students to pursue higher education and development of life skills amongst the students. So, in the end, I strongly agree that NEP will bring about disruptive and far-reaching changes in the Indian education sector. This policy is an initiative to put India on track to achieve sustainable development goals of inclusive, equitable and quality education that world promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Fulfilling the Bharatiya Janata Party's manifesto for the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, wherein the creation of the new education policy was at the utmost agenda. In January 2015, a committee under the former Cabinet Secretary T.S.R. Subramaniam started the consultation process for the new education policy. Based on the committee report, in June 2017, the draft NEP was submitted in 2019 by a panel led by former Indian Space Research Organization ISRO chief Krishnaswamy Kasturalingam. The draft New Education Policy DNEP 2019 was later released by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, followed by a number of public consultations. Well, that was some information about NEP and my thoughts on it. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.